ignoring location and neighborhood trends. A common pitfall when buying a fixer-upper is focusing too much on the property and not enough on the location. The truth is, you can renovate a home to perfection, but you can't change its surroundings. If the neighborhood isn't desirable or is declining in value, your efforts may not pay off in the long run. When evaluating a fixer-upper, take a close look at the area. Is it on an upward trend with increasing property values, or are homes sitting on the market for months? Research nearby schools, public transportation, crime rates, and amenities like parks and shopping centers. Even if you're not planning to live in the property, these factors will impact its resale or rental value. Pay attention to zoning laws and future developments in the area. For instance, a nearby plot of land could be slated for a new commercial building, which might increase traffic and noise. Conversely, a planned park or transit hub could boost property values. Knowing what's in the pipeline can help you make an informed decision about the property's potential. Don't forget to consider the property's immediate surroundings. A fixer-upper on a busy road or next to a noisy business may have limited appeal no matter how beautiful it becomes. Conversely, a property in a quiet, family-friendly area could become a gem with the right renovations.